from the bright sun of the Nullarbor plain for Andrew and Debbie to see. Whether we hike, surf, or explore, we'll never need anything more.
So this is Esperance,
in our caravan across the
and this is west of
desert
Esperance.
sand. We'll show you this great country
Called the Great Ocean Drive. Tell you what, you know, it's a lot better than the Victoria's Great Ocean Road, because you can actually get down the beaches here. Water's so much better. Pretty windy here, but you can see why it's called Blue Haven. How clear and blue was that water? Friggin' hell, unbelievable. It's really blowy down here at the moment. Again, more beaches here at Esperance. Have a look at it. That's an incredible view. Wouldn't you think? I think this might be Blue Haven or something, I can't remember. Anyway, there's a look up at the top. Yeah, a little bit calmer here, but no action. It's only 10:30, high tide's not till 12. So might head back to Salmon Beach and actually chuck the surf rod in and see what happens then. Debbie's just asking me that I should start giving fish away. I don't know why, but I just got back about 10 minutes ago and have a look at these little beauties. Yeah, he's not bad, and I got another one exactly the same size. Alright, so I've just realised we've got a bit of a problem. So I've gutted them, chopped their heads off and scaled. But kind of a little bit too big to put in the fridge or the freezer, so I'm going to have to try and figure out some way of storing these little babies. Alright, let's give this one a go. This is the Esplanade in Esperance. He's got a few of the cargo ships waiting out there to be loaded with all their goods. I'll have to find out what they're actually doing up there, but probably all minerals and the mining stuff. This is the beach, and just across the road is the caravan park. Looks like one of the playgrounds. So I'm just in the playground. Ruby and Max would love this. Plenty to do on the chalkboard. I've actually got the pool and playground here. Great little park, this.
And every time I hear a phrase my mother used to say to me, everything happens for a reason, I get the feeling I need a little taste of home, 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 just a little taste of home.
4, and they drop. I haven't seen them do that before. Now it lifts up.
What's in the water? There's something jumping.
Where?
Over here. Can you see it?
There's something just floating.
No, it's behind this tree. You need to park.
why those people parked there.
Yeah, look. Oh, it's a friggin' whale.
Oh, look at it.
Andrew. It's a whale.
Yes. What is it?
It's a whale.
I just saw a whale jump out of the water. Over here. Oh, there's another one. You see it? Did you see it? See it? Just out over there this time. There it goes. You see it? Oh, you see it? Massive, just jumping out of the water there now. Got the whales jumping out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, there it goes.
Oh, over there,
Yeah. Makes it even better, doesn't it?
It does.
Did it jump again?
Time to explore the outback, a place so large and vast. Today, Australia, land of the sun, quite the adventure, so much fun. It's the trip of our
All right, I'm
lives,
gonna hop out,
where the
show you
view
some
is
shots around here.
amazing, so divine.
Have a look at this
Sure
place.
We'll miss you on this journey, but there's no place we'd rather be. We sold our family home,
Look at this.
jumped out of our comfort zone to explore Australia.
Yeah, it's parked on the beach.
Come along with us. From the bright sun of the Nullarbor plain, for Andrew and Debbie to see. Whether we hike, surf, or explore, we'll never need anything more. So come along in our caravan across the Australian desert sand. We'll show you this great country. Love is guaranteed. We sold our family home, jumped out of our comfort zone to explore Australia. Come along with us.
All right, we're back at Lucky Bay. We came down here the other day and thought it was so good. We've decided to stay at the campground just at the back here. So I, at the moment, are gonna pop in and have a swim in one of these magnificent bays on Western Australia's south coast. Oh, water's beautiful. Oh, this is amazing. Wait for a few of these waves to go past. And I want you to know just how clear and blue this is, and the sand is amazing. All right, I'm thinking of a all right, I've got to go under. I have to go under. Hang on. All right, I'm going. Going under. I'm going under. Look, next wave. Yeah, okay, that's it. All right, here we go. Oh, fuck, that is amazing. Oh, it's so clear. That's so cool. Oh, fuck, and I think I'm the only one here. I'm the only one on this beach. Oh, amazing. I'm going back under again. We just rocked on up to this campsite. This is it. Oh, my cheese is about to, see what I mean, how windy it is. My cheese is about to blow into the... So, anyway, it's Albany over there. So, Spotify playing, and got an awesome place. Got the pelicans at the end of the jetty. Looks like fish cleaning facilities. They've given me a fire pit. Got some firewood, $20, goes to charity. But yeah, have a look at that. We're only going to stay 2 nights, but I think we might actually stay. I think we might actually stay a week, even more. Yeah, loving this.